Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. A Jamaican former Kingston College standout Jaden Hibbert has been nominated for this year's World Athletics Rising Star Award. The Rising Star Award is given to the best under-20 athlete of the year, and the Jamaican captured the under-20 world title in Cali, Colombia with a championship record and a national under-18 record of 17.27 meters. Hibbert was also the Jamaican triple jump champion and was recognized as having one of the 6 best under-20 performances of the year. The 17-year-old, now a University of Arkansas student, will face competition from World Championship 200-meter bronze medalist and World Under-20 200-meter record holder Arian Knighton, World Under-20 100-meter record holder Letsile Tibogo, Kenyan Emmanuel Wanyoni, and Frenchman Anthony Amirati. The winner of the 2022 Men's Rising Star Award will be selected by an international panel of experts and be announced on World Athletics social media platforms in early December. Now, TVJ Sports understands that Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association President Wayne Shaw is set to resign from his post at the next special general meeting. The meeting is set to take place in the next 10 days. Shaw became president of CASAFA in January 2017 after serving in the capacity of general secretary. He succeeded former president Ambassador Stuart Stevenson. And pre-competition favourites Clarendon College can inch closer to a quarter-final round spot in the Issa da Costa Cup today when they oppose York Castle at the Draxall Sports Complex in their round of 16 group contest. The Lenny Hyde coach team slammed Racees High 5-0 in Saturday's opening encounter. York Castle were blanked 2-0 by Frome Technical on Saturday. Now, Frome can also put a foot in the quarterfinals when they take on Racees in a repeat of their preliminary round matchup. In Zone D, last season's beaten finalist, the Manning School, travelled to Clarendon for their top-of-the-table clash with former champions Glenmuir High. Ben Francis Cup holders Edwin Allen and former champion St. Elizabeth Technical will battle in Santa Cruz in a bid to revive their quarter-final push. All matches are set to kick off at 3 p.m. Now to cricket, Virat Kohli became the leading run scorer in men's T20 World Cups to lead India to a 5-run win over Bangladesh in their Group 2 encounter in Adelaide. Kohli made 64 to move to 1,065 runs in 23 innings and surpassed Mahela Jayawardene, who had 1,016 runs in 31 innings to lead India to a 184 for 6 batting first. Now K. Rahul supported Kohli with 50 and Surya Kumar Yadav got 30, set a revised 151 from 16 overs. The Bangladeshis pushed the Indians to the end but fell short at 145 for 6. Litan Das made 60 from 27 balls and Nurul Hassan 25 not out against 2 wickets each from Arshdeep Singh and Hardik Pandya. The win takes India to the top of Group 2 with 6 points, 1 ahead of South Africa, who have played a game fewer. Meanwhile, the Netherlands had a comfortable 5-wicket win over Zimbabwe in their encounter. Zimbabwe were first bundled out for 117 in 19.2 overs. Paul van Meekeren claimed a 3 for 29, while there were 2 wickets each for 3 other bowlers, led by 52 from Max O'Dowd and 32 from Tom Cooper. The Dutch eased the victory at 120 for 5 with 12 balls to spare. The win handed the Netherlands their first points of the tournament. And finally, world number 1 Iga Swiatek beat Daria Kasatkina in straight sets to make a winning start at the WTA Finals. 21-year-old Swiatek defeated the Russian 6-2, 6-3 to record her 46th straight set win this year on tour. That is the most main draw straight sets wins recorded in a single WTA season since Serena Williams 66, Agnieszka Radwanska 46 in 2013. Meanwhile, French world number 6 Carolina Garcia, who plays Swiatek next, defeated Coco Gauff 6-4, 6-3 in their contest. Garcia is making her return to the singles competition at the season-ending finals after a 5-year absence. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Renato. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Prime Time News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, have a good afternoon.